Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! So today is another exciting day because we're finally flying to Nagoya, Japan! Very excited nga kami dyan kaya we come 4 hours early before our flight to avoid delay and hassle na din. We want to start this adventure na chill and calm lang. That's why nagkukulitan pa kami ng mga kids dyan. Ako na bahala sa mga bata. Si tatay naman ang nag-aasikaso sa pag-check-in ng mga luggage. After check-in, waiting naman kami sa immigration. As a family, wala naman masyadong tanong sa immigration officer, ask lang nila kung saan pupunta at kailan ang balik. And charan, on the way to our boarding gate, we've checked in our luggage and finished immigration na. Everything went smoothly naman and now we're just heading to board our flight. I can definitely feel the excitement na talaga. Pakinggan nyo si Franco.
Where are we going?
Where are we going now?
We're going to Japan.
But because we have plenty of time pa, good thing may free play area dito sa airport kaya nakapaglaro muna yung mga kids at kami naman makapag-coffee din. At ito na nga, it's time to board. Very exciting na ang trip na ito dahil kasama din namin sila Kuya and Sis Elaine, pati na rin si Andre at si Ice. First time na ni Franco Ibasing na magkaroon ng kasamang kids sa international trip. Kaya super excited siya na makita si Ice. Kaya naman Japan, here we go! You might be wondering why Nagoya ang napili naming destination for this trip. Well, we choose Nagoya because it's honestly one of the best family-friendly destination in Japan. We've been to super busy cities na kasi like Tokyo and Osaka. So now, gusto naman namin ma-experience ang Nagoya kasi it's more relaxed, spacious, and less crowded. So I think perfect siya for families, especially when traveling with kids or even with parents. So stay tuned lang kayo ha for our adventures in Nagoya. So here na kami sa plane. We'll be traveling for around 4 hours to reach Nagoya. Kaya ito, simula na kami magkulitan with the kids. Kaya naman, see you in a bit, Nagoya! Touchdown, Nagoya, Japan! Thank you, Lord, for a safe and smooth flight. Pagdating namin dito sa Chubu Central International Airport, namangha na naman kami kasi ang ganda talaga ng airport na ito. Grabe, sobrang linis, modern, and ang ganda ng mga designs. Yung malaking airplane na yan, ang tawag dyan is Boeing 787. That's a real aircraft kaya tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata na nakalapit sila sa ilalim yan at na-explore nila.
Hello, Kuya Frank, hello.
Soldier boy.
Kuya Franco, kawai.
Hello, soldier boy.
Wow. Ano lang bo? Naglalagas na oh.
Hi guys! Dito kami nag-check-in sa Airbnb namin. Dito ito sa Imaike. On the way na kami sa first destination namin today. But can I just say na kaya pala gusto din ng iba dito sa Nagoya kasi iba din talaga ang charm ng place na ito. Kalmado lang at hindi talaga siya super busy. If you visited kasi Tokyo and Osaka, you will really tell the difference. So it is super recommended if you want just a chill and calm place to explore.
Hi, ganda. Galing-galing talaga nito. Absinero. First day of school. First day of school, yes sir.
Slowly nagugustuhan ko na talaga ang vibes dito sa Nagoya. Ang gaan lang ng atmosphere. Sa ngayon parang feeling namin magiging isa ito sa mga favorite places namin dito sa Japan.
Hi, nak. Don't move, kuya. Go there, kuya.
Go sa Ito G.
No, it's a video, love.
Sabay lang, kakaway nga siya.
Kaway ka, dali.
Kaway. Ah, panin.
Oh.
Wow, is it nice? Nice naman dito.
Smell something. So, ano. Cute ang liliit lang yun. Cute talaga.
Kaya kuya gusto.
Tahimik, no?
Mas maya pa pala dito.
Gusto ang gulig-gulig dito.
Ayun, may pagkain dito, Franco. 11 pa lang mag-open.
Our first destination is the iconic Nagoya Castle. This is one of the most visited places here in Nagoya. because it's more than just a beautiful castle. It's a symbol of the city's rich history and samurai heritage. Sayang nga lang pagdating namin dito, walang performance sa mga samurai actors. Gusto ko pa naman sana mapanood ng mga kids yun. But it's okay. Then is they ask question naman, what is this place for? And they become very curious.
Hi guys! Ang ganda oh. Uy, hi kayong dalawa. Franco! Hi.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you eating? Oh no, oh no! Oh.
Parang gusto lagi ni ano sila magkasama putik.
Habang kayo nagkakagulo, tingnan nyo tong isa. Ayun, ano pa? Chicken lang pala ang gusto mo.
Oh, it's too cold.
So cold, kuya! Dalawa, oh.
Ay, pusa. Yay! Wow!
Kuya, open naman yung tatlo, ah. Hug each other naman. Hug, dali hug mo.
May black, saka may ano green
Ah, dali mag-ano kayo kuya, mag-selfie kayo, selfie. Ay, base.
Basta.
Oh, go there kay Tatay Love.
You want hot? You want hot
Ninja ice cream or ninja dog? Franco, come here. What do you want? Ninja ice cream or ninja dog? Franco, come here. Franco, come
Ayan ang
here.
ginagawa na ni ate, oh.
Franks, look, Franks.
Nagawa mo na?
Hindi pa.
Franco, it's there, Franks. Franco, get it there. Go. Here. Thank for him. Oh, thank you. Look. Oh, it's an ice cream. Where are we going to put? Franco. Come here. Hi guys. We're eating here. It's a ninja ice cream. Franco, can I borrow just one? Look at this. But Franco already ate it. It's so yummy.
Is he eating?
And Franco is also eating too. Ay, Basti.
And I. What? Not me. What? I just want to get a juice. Yummy. How are you gonna choose?
Don't wanna sit.
Oh yeah.
Yummy. Yeah. What is it?
Alam mo ako kayo dito.
Yeah.
Galing mo, go water.
Franco, you see this? Tata is getting water from the fish.
And now we are done here in Nagoya Castle. We just walk around the place and check different restaurants and cafes, and we're just enjoying the charm of this place with no hurries. Thank you, Nagoya Castle. See you again next time. And now we are heading to our next destination for today.
Hi, bro. Andito yung mga bita-bitang galing Pilipinas.
Okay guys, our next stop is Nagoya City Science Museum. If you are traveling with kids, this is definitely a place you shouldn't miss. Hindi pa kami nakakapasok sa loob pero na-attract yung mga bata sa malaking fountain dito sa labas.
Wow! Okay, let's go. Wow! Fountain! Wow!
Brako, tingin ka Brako.
Ate! Wow!
Pagpasok pa lang namin sa loob, ang dami ng exciting exhibits. Sobrang interactive kaya hindi mabobore ang mga bata. And honestly, pati kami mga adults, parang naging kids na lang din ulit. Hindi lang ito parang museum na puro display. Dito, pwede talaga maglaro, mag-explore at matuto at the same time ang mga
Go,
bata.
Basti, go! Go, Basti, go! Wow! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Thank you! Come on, Basti! Basti, come! Put it here! Wow!
One thing we love about this museum is that learning here is super fun. Instead of just reading science, the kids can touch, experiment, and discover how science works through hands-on activities dito. Do you know Nagoya City Science Museum is one of the world's largest planetariums? You can watch an immersive show about stars, planets, and universe here. Dito talaga kami nagstay ng matagal kasi pinabayaan lang din namin yung mga bata na mag-ikot, maglaro, ng kung anong gusto nila. Sila ang leader kaya sunod lang din kami ng sunod sa kanila. Sa sobrang laki kasi nito, hindi sila mauubusan ng gagawin. And there's a plenty of sitting area din naman para sa mga adults so that they can rest din. Gusto ko talaga dinadala yung mga bata sa mga gantong lugar para matuto sila. At the same time, we're creating memories together as a family because at the end of the day, it's not just about the places we visit. It's about the laughter, the learning, and the moments we share. These are the memories we want to give to our kids that will hopefully carry with them as they grow up. So if you're planning a family trip to Nagoya, we highly recommend adding the Nagoya City Science Museum to your itinerary. It's educational, interactive, and fun. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.